Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to watch my video. I do appreciate that. Y'all, today we're gonna unbox one of my latest bags that I just got, and we're gonna do that together. This is the Dooney and Bourke Russel Tote in the medium size in their beautiful natural colored Florentine leather. So I can't wait to show you that. But before I do that, I do want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for coming back and watching my channel and my content. If you're new to my channel and you'd like to subscribe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification before you leave. Also, if you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, y'all hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I'd love to have you there as well. And y'all, for everything else Mad Hatter, don't forget to check out my beacon links. It's gonna be the first link under my YouTube bio, and you can find lots of great information there as well. Shopping links, discount codes, and you can also shop my Depop closet as well. It's a personalized closet that I have some of my personal items for sale in, so do check that out. And with all that being said, if everybody could just take one moment, stop and give this video a thumbs up, I do appreciate that. It does help my channel to grow. So y'all, let's unbox this Dooney and Bourke medium Russel Tote. Now y'all, this bag just came yesterday. It was delivered UPS and I'm kind of worried about it because y'all know how sometimes when you get stuff, the packaging is not the greatest. Well, this is one of those. So let me just show you what it looks like here. I'm gonna show you the box. But yeah, when I saw it, I was like, really? And usually UPS does pretty good. So I was kind of shocked, but this is how it came. Let me just back up a little bit where you can see here. It was already opened, like literally the flap was open on this when I came up to my door last night, and the bag is inside there, you can see it. And then yeah, just an open box, and then the back side of it looked like it was kind of damaged too. I was kind of just shocked about the whole thing, just smushed down, the tape all messed up on it, you know. I mean, I don't know what they're doing to these packages in the trucks that they're delivering, but I wish they would try to do a little bit better, or just Dooney and Bourke, or you know, these companies just tape up the box a little bit more. But anyway, enough complaining about that. Let's open it up and see what we've got here, and hopefully the bag is not gonna be damaged. I did see it look like one little mark on it just from looking inside the box, so I'm hoping that that's not the case. But let's open it up here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest of it open, and we'll open and see what it looks like here, okay? All right, so that's that. I just had to cut one piece to get it open, y'all. All right, so there it is, and here is the bag inside the box, and it just rolled out. Let's see what we got here. And this is how Dooney sends your bags, and then you just have a receipt down on the inside there. Let me get rid of that box. And then here is the tote. I've been wanting a really good leather tote, and Dooney and Bourke has some of the best leather, so I was like, I gotta get me a Dooney tote. So let's see how it looks here. This is it all wrapped up in the plastic. Let me unwrap it from the plastic, and I'm gonna inspect the bag and make sure there's not any marks or anything on it. Just see, you know, make sure everything's good with the bag, and then I'm gonna show it off and show y'all some details, okay? All right, y'all, so let's open this bag up here. I'm gonna cut the tape here. And we're gonna get into it and see what they've sent me here, and I'm hoping that it's not damaged. I would hate for it to be. I'm just tired of trying to send stuff back, and I wish they would just do better at the shipping on these bags and stuff. But it's a really pretty color. I like this. I was back and forth with the color of the bag, and I was thinking I might get the chestnut or either this natural color, so I wound up going with the natural, and I think it's a good choice here. This is that natural leather color, and it's beautiful. But let me go over and just look at it real quick. I just want to make sure and see if there's any markings or damage on this bag real quick, okay? And then I'll show you some close-up details. All right, y'all, so I've looked over the bag pretty well, and it seems like everything's okay. There's a couple of little marks on the back here, and I'll show you real quick that I saw. There's one here, if you can see that on camera right there, and then there's one right here in the middle of the bag, if you can see that on camera. But I think that will be fine. I don't see anything else on any of the rest of the bag. Everything looks pretty good. And the leather on these, they have a little bit of striation in the leather, so you're gonna see a little bit of marking on the leather there just from the natural leather. So that's normal for this leather, so you're gonna have that. But as far as the other little marks, I think probably once I put like a little leather conditioner on it, they're just gonna fade away. So it's fine, I'm okay with that. But I just was like really freaked out when I saw the box. So I'm really happy about the bag so far, and it smells wonderfully beautiful. Just a beautiful leather smell, and you can definitely love the leather from Dooney and Bourke for sure. So let me take off the packaging, the plastic and everything, and I'll show you some details. All right, so I'm gonna unwrap and get these handles out here. But yeah, this is a really pretty tote from Dooney and Bourke, and I wound up getting it on a discount here. These bags are usually, I think, around $500 for the regular price, but I got it off of the I Love Dooney website. and it was discounted. I want to say it was like $199, so I got it under $200. Let me see here if it says it on the invoice that I have here, and I'll tell you how much it was. All right, so it didn't say it on the invoice, but I looked on here and I wound up paying $198.75, and then they charged like $11 for shipping. So it was about $225 with tax, which is a really good deal on this bag. So I'm happy about that. And I just, you know, you just kind of have to wait a little bit, and Dooney will have their stuff on sale, and you can find it on their I Love Dooney website, or the Dooney and Bourke website will sometimes have stuff on sale there too. And if you didn't know this, they also have an eBay store as well that you can check out, and they'll have discounts on there as well. So let me get the plastic off of here. This leather, y'all, is so strong smelling. It actually is just completely taken over the smell of this room. All right, there's the plastic off of the bag. So it's beautiful. I love the Florentine leather. Like I said, it's so soft. It feels so good. You've got your Dooney and Bourke little stamp there with a duck on it, and the leather just feels so soft, y'all. All right. Here's the side of the bag. It has on the inside a couple of snaps, so soft. And then on the bottom, y'all, you actually have some feet, so I love that as well. There's your feet, and that leather feels so good. You also have a little luggage tag piece here on the front here in that leather, and it has Dooney and Bourke on the back of it, so really nice. The back side of it does have a little zipper pocket here. Let me show you that. And as you can see those striations in the leather there, and that's just a normal thing on the leather. All right, and your zipper is there with a leather zipper pull, and it has a beautiful red interior in this bag. The inside of the bag is snap closed, so you have a little snap closure, and it just opens right up. It's got some stuff on the inside here. Let me take that out. You do get a dust bag with all of your Dooney and Bourke stuff, which I really love that, but y'all know how I feel about a dust bag on this channel. It's just a damn dust bag, y'all. We get rid of those. Let me take the stuffing out here, and I'll show you the interior on this bag. So here is the inside of it, and it does snap close. You've got a little snap piece in the middle, and then two actual snaps on the inside here. So there is the closure piece there, and then you have the two snaps, one here, and then one on this side that actually snaps the bag closed. And then on the inside here, you're gonna have this beautiful red lining in a canvas material, and then you have a zipper pocket here in the middle with another little leather pull tab on it. So very nice. Then you have a slip pocket as well on the inside, your zipper pocket. There's the inside of the zipper pocket. And then on the opposite side, you also have two little storage areas on this side too. There are little slip pockets as well there. So there's one, and then there's the other. So very nice. And then they always include this little strap on the inside here that you can attach like a key ring or whatever you want to. And it's just a little dark piece there with a little attachment piece. So very nice, but you can definitely tell the difference in the two leathers here, like where they meet. Let me just show you. You might be able to tell that. Like this one here looks a little smoother than this side here. So it's a little different on the leather, but that's how leather is sometimes. It's gonna have variations in the leather. But the leather on this one smells so good, y'all, and I'm really happy with it. And I'm really happy that I got the natural color. I really love that. I think it's gonna go perfect with a lot of different outfits and bags, so I'm happy with it. Let me show you some mod shots real quick, and I'll show you how this bag looks up next to me. All right, y'all, so here's how the tote looks next to me. It's a really nice size tote too. This is the medium size, like I said, and I think it's a really good tote for me. And you can carry it many different ways, just kind of like this, or of course your normal, just holding the handle there, or you can do it over the shoulder like that as well. So it does fit over my shoulder pretty good, and I have a pretty thick shoulder, so very nice. So it fits over my shoulder, and if you're smaller, it's definitely gonna fit over yours. So just a beautiful, beautiful tote here from Dooney and Bourke, and I love this Florentine leather. It's so soft and smooth. Just has a really, really soft, supple feel to it, and I'm really happy with it. Let me just show you the little marks that I saw up on it here, up close here, see if you can see in this light here. Just one there, and then it had just a small little area here somewhere. I don't even see it now, like it's really just kind of faded away. So yeah, maybe right here, but it's kind of just, like I said, fading away. And with natural touch and everything, with your oils and everything, it's gonna change a little bit anyway. So, but I'm really happy with it, and it smells so good, y'all. So this is my third Dooney and Bourke bag, and I'm really, really happy with my purchase. So y'all let me know what you think about this tote in the comments, please. All right, y'all, so that is my review on this beautiful medium-sized Russel tote from Dooney and Bourke in this beautiful natural colored Florentine leather. I love this bag so far, and like I said, I've been happy with most of my Dooney and Bourke bags that I have. The leather on them are so soft and immaculate. Just a really nice leather company, so definitely check out Dooney and Bourke if you haven't ever got a bag from them. you'll be really happy with what you got. I wish they would do a little bit better on the packaging, but this is okay. It actually is fine. So I'm happy with it. I will put me a bag organizer on the interior of this bag just so that it has a little bit more shape and it doesn't damage the inside of the bag. I usually get those from either Zoomoni or I'll find one on Amazon depending on what Zoomoni has, but I love Zoomoni as well. All right, y'all, so I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to do that too before you leave. I appreciate y'all, and y'all have a happy Easter weekend. I'll see y'all on my next video review. Bye.